I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited and happy you're here for my video today. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. I'm getting ready to make a little sugar-free chocolate cake. I love putting this together to share with friends. I'm going to melt this butter and take this little silicone spatula and paint the inside of the pan. This keeps it from sticking, and this way I can easily remove the cake from the pan. The only thing I need for this recipe is a 0 sugar Pillsbury cake mix, 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of water. I just melted my butter in the microwave, and I'll just start painting it right inside this pan. This also makes the pan clean up really easily. Whenever you have a bundt pan, especially one with a lot of detail, you can use butter that's melted and paint it right into all the little grooves and all the little detailed parts. And that way your cake won't stick, and when you go to wash your pan, it'll wash really easily. And just like that, our pan is buttered and ready to use. I have the 2 cups or 2 small containers of Greek yogurt plain, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my cake mix. I'm going to pour in my 1 cup of water. It's just room temperature water. And now I'm just going to take my hand mixer and get it mixed. And just like that, in no time at all, our cake mix is ready to put in the pan. Make sure you don't have any left on the bottom that isn't mixed in. And then you can pour it right into your buttered baking pan. To get the extra cake batter off of your beaters, just tap them together. We want to fill our cake pan about half full. This is a small cake pan, so I'll also put some in another baking pan and make a second cake. I'll make another one to put in the freezer. I'm going to take a smaller spatula and just go around and even out the top to make sure it's nice and even as much as possible. And now our little cake is ready for the oven. We're going to bake this on 350. And here's how the delightful little sugar-free chocolate cake turned out. I am so glad you were here. I had so much fun making this video and sharing it. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.